Hello, what's up guys? And today's video we're going to unbox and review the Racing 3 D-Dry jacket from Dainese. So stay tuned. Hello, what's up guys, and we're back. So we're going to unbox the Racing 3 D-Dry jacket from Dainese. So this one I ordered it from online, so it arrived 3 days ago. So we're going to unbox it. So let's start here. Okay. Okay, so still on plastic. There you go. Racing 3 D-Dry jacket. So let's see what's inside. So if we open it, so we got buttons, then we got the main zipper. Okay, then we got the manuals or papers that comes with it. So we still have the plastic cover to cover the elbow protection. See, so should we remove it? Correct. Okay, there you go. So anyway, this one is just in case it broke, it's replaceable, so you can order a new one. So the other side. Oh. So the Racing 3 jacket, you can use it on winter, spring, and fall. So I don't know if you can use it during the summertime, because we will try on our ride. So if you feel too hot, so you can remove the inner liner. So we have the inner liner, so just unzip it, then zip it back. So we go. So as we check on the inner side, so this pocket is for when you put chest protection. So we got both sides for chest protection. So this one is the other side, chest protection. See? So we can put also back protection on the back side. So this one, so it's called dorsal, or the back protection. So you can buy it separately online. So then we zip it. Okay, so we zip it. Then so in front we have two side pockets, so you can put your phone or wallet. So So we go. So when it comes to air ventilation, or if you feel hot, so if you feel hot during the ride, you can open the vents. We have 2 air vents here, 1, 2. Then we have also at the back, see, so we have 1 here, air vent protection. So see, so this jacket has a smaller logo at the back. So some jackets, they have bigger Dainese logo at the back. So if you want to adjust the waist, so we have Velcro here, and Velcro on the other side to adjust the waist. So, and on the arms we have the 2 adjustable buttons, depending how tight or how, see. Okay, so we tried to use this one on our 2 rides. So this one, it fits me very well. So we will try this one on our summer ride. So we'll try if it's too hot, if it's too cold. So let's see if we can, if we can use it on a 4 season. So maybe just 3 season. So by the way, this one is a waterproof jacket, so you can use it on a rainy season. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I hope it helps before you buy this same type of jacket. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.